Two Bobs walk into a credit union. Bob 1 says, "So what would you say you do here?" The credit union executive says, "Well, we help members open accounts, take deposits, process loans, and financial health." Bob 2 says, "So what would you say about your online account opening and your online banking capabilities?" The credit union executive says, "Our online banking and seamless onboarding is kind of, well, we're waiting on the vendor and can't look at other solutions." Bob 2 says, "I can understand how you feel as we have been here before. What if you could gain members now while you wait? Imagine your future members opening accounts inside a sports team, celebrity, university, retail, or ticketing app, or even through a standalone app that carries your partner brand's likeness." The credit union executive says, "No, we can't do what big banks and neobanks can do." Bob 1 says, "Now you can, and it can be fully embedded, fully branded, fully compliant. Member-centric, mobile-first, core-agnostic, loyalty-enhancing, and all modern technology in the cloud, powered by AI agents." The credit union executive says, "Wait, are you saying we can use our existing identity, KYC, compliance, experience, and self-service tooling, all without needing to replace our core?" Bob 1 says, "Yep, and your existing team members can easily cultivate this innovation and be in control. Plus, we're making it so affordable for credit unions only." Bob 2 says, "You can then have Gen Z members check their balance and move money right inside the apps they are already using and love." The credit union executive says, "Only on our rails too. There's no way we can do that, right?" Bob 2 says, "Yep, there is, and your members will still know they're banking with you." The credit union executive says, "Will they?" Bob 1 says, "Yep. And you can now extend your co-branded card play to co-branded banking for Gen Z loyalty." The credit union executive sits up, intrigued. Bob 2 says, "You need a brand on banking experience from the efficiency experts for credit union Gen Z loyalty." Credit union executive says, "So how do I get started?" Bob 1 says, "Simple, you shift." Bob 2 says, "You BankShift." The credit union executive says, while laughing, "BankShift Gen Z back to credit unions." Love it. Let's join BOB CUSO. It's the new brand on banking, Credit Union Services Organization for Good, helping credit unions keep their $2.3 trillion in assets by making digital banking turnkey, modern, and most importantly, affordable for all. BOB CUSO membership comes with usage rights to leverage registered trademarks, so only credit unions can say BankShift and banking on your brand. Also gain access to training, support, integration, and popular brands looking to partner. Let's change the world together. Once again, thank you.